Hi. So a very typical day in our lives is handling a customer issues, and we tend to do a good job. But it often starts with understanding their need. Let me tell you about one such example. We had a client called Phone. It was an internet service provider. It used to provide high-end internet solutions to our clients, a very respectable name in the market, and they had a good amount of business volume. And as expected, they were working with multiple payment providers at very good commercials and everything. So that should be the end of the problem, right? In fact, not. That's exactly what their issue was. They were trying to figure out that managing so many payment gateways, managing so much of a transaction flow, how do we make it all work together? What is work for us? How do we get to the analytical numbers? So we incidentally bump into them at a conference. We had a chat. They were connected to us through a financial department where somebody from a finance team was connected with their finance team, and they had a huge problem in terms of reconciliation. So when they reached out to us, what we figured out is the payment gateway is not the problem. It's handling the data, it's handling the flow, and having the choice to what to use. So our principal product, which we do, is the Payomatix product, which we also call as a cashier, is essentially blends in. It's a single dashboard which invigorates all the particular payment gateways in terms of a flow, and which you can set up accordingly and manage a one single view of all the transactions. So let me give you an example. So it's as good as saying that if personally you had multiple bank accounts, typically you would log into a different net banking, a different with a password, a different app, and you'll have to transact separately. And to get a full flow of what you're trying to get in the business, you would need something to merge that. This is exactly what we do for payment gateways. People particularly manage with multiple of our esteemed partners, but our dashboard integrates them on the back end so that it creates single view. Not only that, it allows them to seamlessly move between these payment gateways in case there's a price differential. With what I mean is that if I'm getting a better rates at a particular payment mode with one provider and another better rate with somebody else, I will use only those specific payment providers for that payment gateway as per my technical setup. So our technical team did a fantabulous job in terms of setting this up, and our job is to ensure that the customer sees the value not only on the pricing but the ease of the reconciliation, ease of a single view, ease of singularly managing all that particular transactions. So when we reached out to Phone, they had about 4 different payment gateways, and when we integrated them, what they realized, the peace and convenience of driving a single dashboard and yet maintaining those payment gateways was very, very easy. So the finance team had a little bit of the work cut out in terms of the overall numbers they had, and overall they had a better experience because from a technology perspective, our platform was supporting all of the 4 setups at the back end. So their tech was only focusing on handling the integration of the payment gateways with a cashier, which was ably done. This is exactly the kind of problems which is solved for many of our clients, and we continue to do so. If we can help you with something like that, don't forget to give us a call. We must just have a solution for you.